Welcome to a new video. Cooking verbs.
Boil. Boil.
I put water in a pot and turned on the stove. After a while, the water started to boil.
Spread. Spread. I took a knife and spread butter on my toast to make it tasty.
Grill. Grill.
I love to grill hamburgers and hot dogs in the backyard during summer barbecues.
Mix. Mix.
To make a cake, you need to mix flour, sugar, eggs, and butter together in a bowl.
Grate. Grate.
To make grated cheese, you can use a cheese grater to shred a block of cheese into small pieces.
Roll out. Roll out.
When making homemade pizza, you can roll out the pizza dough into a circle or rectangle shape before adding toppings.
Fry. Fry.
When making French fries, you can fry sliced potatoes in hot oil until they become golden and crispy.
Pour. Pour.
To make a cup of tea, you can pour hot water into a teacup and add a tea bag. Bake. Bake.
I like to bake chocolate chip cookies by mixing the dough, placing spoonfuls on a baking tray, and then baking them in the oven until they're golden brown. Squeeze. Squeeze. When making lemonade, you squeeze the lemons to release their juice and then mix it with water and sugar.
Taste. Taste.
When cooking, it's important to taste the soup to adjust the seasoning and ensure it has the right amount of salt and spices.